Do you often find yourself scrolling endlessly through social media, glued to your screens and overwhelmed by the digital chaos around you? If so, it might be time for a digital detox. You can gain benefits like better sleep and focus, but there is a lot more, so listen to this video if you want to know more. Imagine waking up in the morning without instantly checking your notifications. Instead, you start your day by savoring a delicious cup of coffee or taking a peaceful walk in nature. By limiting screen time, you'll find more opportunities to get active and improve your physical health. Whether it's practicing yoga, going for a run, or taking up a new sport, your body will thank you for the break from the digital realm. A digital detox is not just about disconnecting from technology. It's about reconnecting with yourself on a deeper level. During a digital detox, you can truly engage with the world around you, leading to an array of remarkable benefits. Enhanced focus and productivity. By taking regular breaks from screens, we can improve our ability to concentrate and be more productive in our tasks and activities. Better sleep quality. Limiting screen time before bedtime and during the night helps improve sleep quality and allows us to wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Increased creativity. Disconnecting from the digital world gives our minds the space to wander and encourages creative thinking and problem solving. Strengthened relationships. Spending less time on screens allows for more meaningful interactions with loved ones, fostering stronger relationships and deeper connections. Heightened awareness and mindfulness. Digital detox encourages us to be more present at the moment, fostering mindfulness and gratitude for the little joys in life. Boosted physical health. With reduced screen time, we have more opportunities to engage in physical activities, promoting better overall health and well-being. Enhanced memory and cognitive function. Disconnecting from constant digital stimuli can improve memory retention and cognitive function. Reduced digital dependency. Digital detox helps break the habit of mindlessly reaching for our devices, leading to greater self-control over technology use. Rediscovery of offline hobbies. Detaching from screens allows us to rekindle interests in offline hobbies and activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Increased productive leisure time. Digital detox creates space for engaging in productive leisure activities such as reading, writing, or learning something new. Enhanced self-reflection. Time away from screens allows for deeper self-reflection, leading to personal growth and self-discovery. Ready to embark on a digital detox journey? Here are some tips and practices to help you get started and make the most of your experience. Set screen-free zones. Designate areas in your home where screens are not allowed, such as the dining area or bedroom. Create a daily digital detox time. Set aside dedicated time each day to disconnect from your devices completely. Use airplane mode at night. Turn on airplane mode before bedtime to avoid distractions and improve sleep quality. Embrace the outdoors. Spend more time in nature, whether it's going for a hike, having a picnic, or simply sitting under a tree. Practice mindful tech. Be intentional with technology. Pause and ask yourself if you truly need to check your phone or if you can enjoy the moment without it. Share your digital detox experiences in the comments below, and together, let's inspire one another to lead a mindful and balanced digital life. May your digital detox journey bring you clarity, peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. Stay tuned for more Mindful Visionaries content as we explore the wonders of mindfulness and well-being.